Are you tired all the time? Do you suffer with brain fog, sensitivities, muscle pain, or sleep problems? Or perhaps you're suffering with long COVID. If so, the chances are you probably feel alone, frustrated, and are desperately looking for answers. Hi, I'm Alex Howard, and I am deeply passionate about the idea that you can recover your health, that you can overcome fatigue. At 16 years old, I was diagnosed with ME, chronic fatigue syndrome, and spent the first 2 years in a very desperate situation. I then went on a 5-year healing journey of seeing dozens of different practitioners, at one point taking 70 supplements a day. I tried everything on my path to recovery. And on the other side, that's why I set up the Optimum Health Clinic, one of the world's leading clinics specializing in fatigue. We now have patients in over 50 countries around the world. We've published research in the British medical journal Open. We have a team of 20 full-time practitioners. And that's why 2 years ago, I put together the first ever fatigue super conference. We brought together some of my favorite experts on fatigue. I asked them the questions I knew you wanted me to ask them, but also the questions that I was curious about. Over 75,000 people registered and joined that event. And I'm super excited to be launching the second ever Fatigue Super Conference. I'm also excited that for this second conference, I'm going to be joined in the interviewing by some of the team at the Optimum Health Clinic. In addition to the feature interviews, we're also going to bring you, once again, it was very popular last time, some in-depth case studies where we really break down on a clinical level what we're doing and why we're doing it with the patients that we're working with. There's also going to be daily meditation and yoga sessions, so we make sure this is not just an intellectual learning exercise, but it's an embodied experience. So whether you have mild fatigue or you suffer from chronic fatigue or ME, fibromyalgia, adrenal fatigue, Lyme disease, co-infections, or indeed long COVID, we're going to have a series of interviews on long COVID as well. This is the conference for you. It's completely free to join us live. Simply register now with your email address. You'll immediately get access to some amazing registration gifts so you can get started. I look forward to seeing you inside.